So I'm going to show you in today's video how to use a green screen in Final Cut Pro. So I've got this video here, and what I want to do is kind of overlay some kind of cartoon video of me, and I'm going to show you that. So I've got the animation of me with a green background. I'm just going to drag that here. So that's now in place. I want the green to be removed, and I just want the animation of me over this video of these teeth. So what you want to do is ensure you've selected the green screen video. You're then going to go over here to the right and press this button here. This is to show or hide the effects browser. And there's a shortcut by pressing Command and 5. And then what you want to do is make sure you've clicked all video and audio and then search for something called Keyer. It's now actually been renamed to Green Screen Keyer. You want to select Green Screen Keyer and then drag it all the way over to your video like this. And there you go. So the green in your video has now been removed. And that is pretty much everything you need to do. I think Final Cut Pro's green screen remover is quite accurate. You might have to do some color grading if it's an actual video to make it blend into the video, but that can be done by using the color inspector here and changing the saturation, the exposure, just to make it blend in a little bit more. But that's how to remove the green screen in Final Cut Pro. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment in the comment section below, and thank you for watching.